Hi, my name is Liz Roth, and I am the 6th grade Information Technology and Digital Citizenship teacher. Every student in 6th grade will take Digital Citizenship once a week for the entire year, and they will take Info Tech twice a week for half of the year, either the first semester or the second semester. I want to take the time to share with you some information about our courses, which I think your students are really going to like.
Welcome to Digital Citizenship at Cosgrove Middle School. The Spencerport Central School District is committed to providing a full digital citizenship learning experience to all of our students so that they can contribute respectfully and confidently to the ever-changing global community. Digital citizenship will meet once per cycle for the entire school year. Here's a little bit of information about me, Mrs. Roth. So what exactly is digital citizenship? Well, our definition of digital citizenship is how you act, respond, and contribute to the online world. So we've taken that statement and broken it up into a few different categories. So these will be our units for digital citizenship. So what sort of things are needed for class every day? You will need a charged laptop. You will need earbuds and headphones. And some students like to bring a mouse to plug into their laptop, although it's not required. As far as how digital citizenship is graded, digital citizenship is a pass-fail course, and the idea behind that is to encourage all students to perform at a high level without burden of a numeric grade.
Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at eroth@spencerportschools.org. Thanks and have a great school year.